With help of dollar index monthly time frame, side by side, the yielded wave blue book and real market chart, we will see side by side the difference between real market and book yielded wave visual pattern. We have same to same parallel channel on both sides and psychological chart. You can see right at the top before this drop began, like book definition, dollar sentiment were totally different. Everyone was saying king dollar, and almost all currency against dollar they were collapsing, and there was huge list one by one. Many countries were going bankrupt, and obviously they were saying because of strong dollar. And asset price like stock market, like gold, they were crashing very hard, and sentiment was so high, same like book. But right now, if you see past few weeks compared to this top, sentiment are total opposite, like low of this chart. Same king dollar. Now they are talking about de-dollarization and race for new reserve currency. When bond market crashed, there were no buyers, and Trump instantly panicked. So not just wave counting, but psychological chart from book. It is working great. On top we have king dollar. At bottom we have king gold, and nobody using dollar reserve system. So let's see from this bottom step by step. Price goes up, first impulsive wave, then AVC flat, counter trend correction. Price goes up again in 5 impulsive wave. The next level impulsive wave, sub wave 135 impulsive wave. Market make top, goes down again, a counter trend correction. Test previous support, perfect horizontal support, and price goes up again in AVC wave without breaking previous low. And that final wave C, that was last and final move in king dollar trend. Because if you go back in time during this vertical momentum in Biden time and this recent crash in dollar in Trump time, same people, same YouTube, if you see those video, the September 2022 and latest video, then you will see total shift and big change in sentiment. But opposite to book, if we name it 135 impulsive wave, then between wave 1 high and fourth wave low there must be gap, you can see, but both wave are touching each other, there is no gap. Final wave 5, that must be 5 impulsive wave, but that is only AVC. So like book, we have a parallel channel, but we do not have 5 impulsive wave on higher time frame. So whether we call it W, X, Y, X, then again wave Z. This was your 2009 beginning of money printing policy, or you can say QE, goes up as wave W, flat AVC correction X, price goes up again in wave Y, in 5 impulsive wave. If we use extension tool and if we say relation in wave W and Y, then projection exactly 61% projection. Upper trend line of the channel test 3 times, price goes down again as a correction and test previous support, a perfect horizontal support, and next and final bull market start. So this leg, if you see Trump first term, dollar goes up, make counter trend correction as wave V, that was Trump first term QE trend, market goes up again, vertical momentum, that is Biden tight policy, super strong dollar, and finally price test upper trend line once again, fourth time, and crash begin. And now price again testing lower trend line. If you see, then this is fourth attempt of lower trend line retest. Even if we do not see yielded wave counting, only see price action, parallel channel, then after fourth retest of upper trend line, this is fourth retest of lower trend line. And if we use for retracement for this final wave Z subdivided into ABC, then 61% retracement complete, a dynamic support level, and huge negativity for dollar. So psychological part and technical part both are saying there is support on $99 and dollar must do upside correction. And if we see again fib projection relation between multiple wave, then wave W and Z, if we see relation, then wave Y was 61% projection compared to wave W, wave Z is 38% projection. And if we see sub wave of wave Z, which are ABC, then A and C relation, then wave C is 61% projection of wave A. So price following dynamic resistance level, fib projection. But before everything began, right on the top, social media was full of King Dollar video. Biden gave a small video eating ice cream that he do not care about strong dollar, and that marked the top of dollar. And now if we focus on current wave counting, then price goes down. That was your Biden policy, avoid recession. It make a counter trend correction. During that time, gold goes up almost vertical, and Trump's second term begin again. But same like Biden, since starting of his second term, dollar again start falling. And logic was same to avoid recession in starting of second term. If you compare entire trend, right on this bottom, 2009, there was totally new policy, first time used QE monetary policy, or you can say money printing policy. All those years they were printing money, dollar, but dollar index was going up. But be careful, it measures strength of dollar against all other currency like euro, like JPY and JBP, GBP and many more. Because same chart if you see in gold, then you will see totally different picture. Because dollar index is different chart, it is raised to bottom, which country will print less money compared to other. So there was cheap money printing policy, but each time dollar index was going up. But those WXY wave are over, price testing lower part of this channel, and where it will go next. For short term, I am not expecting breakdown of this channel, because same like this top, Trump was panic, Biden was panic on strong dollar, Trump is panic on bond market. But if it is total reversal, then top to bottom after WXY wave, then we can say giant ABC wave after counter trend correction, wave C, finally it will go back to 89 level. But before that, this final wave C need more upside correction. Or if bullish trend is still active, we are still in final wave Z, then this support level after two retest, if it survive, then dollar can stay up. Technically short term we are bullish on dollar, but long term it totally depend on Trump trade deal with major BRICS country who are dumping dollar and US 10-year bond and replacing with gold. And if we compare with book, first of all you can see there is a Peller channel, psychological chart same like book. We have WXY wave counting where there is no gap between first wave high and fourth wave low. Second, book have example of 5 impulsive wave cycle with AVC correction, but here we have WXYZ wave and correction start after wave Z. How low correction will go? But visually you can see fourth wave low. That's mean if correction continue, it must go back to 89. Long term, that's mean next 5 to 10 years. A simple way you can say entire term second term. Because you can see this term instantly after starting of the second term, he makes your dollar start falling. He used all the narrative and gold was up vertically all the time. Imagine what he can do in next 4 years. But same like book, market have different example. Same like fourth wave low, if correction continue in upcoming time, then price must go back to $89. That means this high must survive. And after upside correction, price must go down. That means giant AVC wave. You can see bullish wave extension counting wave. If we see like 5 impulsive wave, then wave 1, second wave AVC flat correction, third wave larger degree subdivided into 5 impulsive wave in a small degree. But if we see them like larger degree 5 impulsive wave, then same like book chart, there must be gap between first wave high and fourth wave low, but there is no gap, they are touching each other. So we have to use WXY wave counting instead of 135 impulsive wave. Another thing you can see, according to book definition, even if we use 5 impulsive wave counting, then fourth wave must be triangle. Same like book definition, wave 2 has AVC flat correction, but fourth wave does not have a triangle, only a sharp correction. But this area, if you go on lower time frame like daily and weekly, then you will see a expanding triangle chart pattern where you can again rename wave A Biden time collapse, triangle correction, then Trump time collapse, wave C. So here I am giving you book example on left side, dollar index H4 time frame real chart on right side. Use book and market side by side and do your wave counting. But still you need help, then watch my weekly currency video. I have done wave counting multiple time on Euro USD H4 time frame. For beginner, once correction start, then upside risk, first thing first, on H4, first resistance can be 105 area, and H4 compared to weekly and monthly, this area 98, below this level everywhere you have monthly support zone, upside bounce very high chance.